NRSN, a company developing treatments for severe neurodegenerative diseases, has received clearance from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA) to initiate a pharmacokinetic study of Prime-C in healthy adult subjects. Prime-C is a novel extended-release oral formulation composed of a unique fixed-dose combination of two FDA-approved drugs, ciprofloxacin and celecoxib. Prime-C is designed to synergistically target several key mechanisms of amyotrophic lateral sclerosis (ALS) that contribute to motor neuron degeneration, inflammation, iron accumulation and impaired RNA regulation to potentially inhibit the progression of ALS. Prime-C was granted orphan drug designation by the FDA and the European Medicines Agency, EMA. NRSN completed a phase IA clinical study which successfully met its safety and efficacy endpoints, including reducing functional and respiratory deterioration and statistically significant changes in ALS-related biological markers indicating Prime-C's biological activity. The company plans to initiate a phase IIb double-blind placebo-controlled multinational study in Q2 2022 with an optimized dose and a unique upgraded formulation.